Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I've come to Broom East Wildlife Conservation Site. It's on the outskirts of a small village called Broom in Bedfordshire. And this is a man-made lake because before this used to be a sand and gravel quarry which they filled in and made it into a wildlife site. And as you can see, it is working. This is one of several different lakes in Broom, all for the same reason, old quarries, but most of them have been made into fishing lakes. But this one, the birds are moved in. You can go all the way around this lake. And if you're into photography and wildlife, it's a great place to come. So, still got some sand left here, so you've got some sand, water, and sometimes some sun. So when you think about it, the birds have got their own beach in Bedfordshire. They're obviously not happy here, they're going somewhere else. But if you're not into wildlife or photography, it's just a nice place to come for a walk. Bring the dog. It's about a 20-minute walk from Biggleswade. And also, if you drive, there's some lay-bys here up a lane called Gypsy Lane. And after walking around here, you could always go into Broom. There's a pub there called The Cock. So, you've got birds here. You've got a pub in Broom called The Cock, so it's all about birds at the moment. So yeah, it's very noisy obviously with all the bird noise, but it's nice to have a bit of difference between the hustle and bustle of traffic and just come back to nature. Obviously these geese don't like water and they've decided that grass is better. But being serious, yeah, it's a really nice place to come. I hope everyone likes these videos. I'm doing these videos for just a bit of fun, and hopefully I can help people see some new places, open their eyes to new places. So yeah, if anyone's watching this, thank you for watching it. So thank you and goodbye.